Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hack Terminal by Virtuals token. Ticker symbol is H4CK, so hack is spelled with a 4 instead of an A, and that is in the name and the ticker symbol. Now this token is a very popular base chain token, huge market cap. It's trending right now on DEX Tools, trending number 2 in the base section on DEX Tools. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Hack Terminal by Virtuals, ticker symbol HACK, and every time I say hack, just be aware it's spelled with a 4 instead of an A. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, and right now they have 1,386 holders. I saw this token in the new trending base section on DEX Screener, and then I checked on DEX Tools, and it was trending number 2 on DEX Tools. It is up 44.49% in the past 24 hours. They have a market cap here of $6.4 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.1 million. And they have here $545,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. Now, if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, or you could use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet you'd fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you would fund your wallet with Base directly from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for the Hack token using the contract address that you could find on BaseScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Just make sure you have the right contract address, or you can find it on their document section, which is linked on their webpage. Their webpage is hackterminal.xyz, and you can click on docs. You can see right on the Twitter there. There's also docs section, or you could just go right to docs.hackterminal.xyz and then click on the tokenomics section, and you can find the contract address that way. Now, as far as taxes go, Go Plus Security says no buy and sell tax. So you probably will not have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So just be aware of that. And if you follow the socials, Twitter, Telegram, maybe they'll have some central exchange listings in the future. Their Telegram is at hack_terminal. 150 subscribers on there so far. You can preview the channel before joining. So what is Hack Terminal? Hack Terminal is the first of its kind white hat AI agent built to make the crypto ecosystem safer. Hack's goal is to uncover critical bugs, secure protocols, save funds, and redistribute gained bounties from white hat operations to its community fairly. Whether you're a developer or a hack token holder or a degen looking to contribute, use hack technology. This is your ultimate guide. So that is the welcome page basically on the web page or on their document section. But how does it work? Well, Hack Terminal is instructed for number 1, bug detection. Explore and scan code bases for potential vulnerabilities. Number 2, bounty hunting. Competes on bounty platforms like Immunify and Sherlock to help protocols and earn rewards. Funds recovery. Exploit vulnerabilities to secure funds at risk. Take a bounty cut from protocols and redistribute earnings to hack token holders. And number 4, bounty negotiations. Hack aims to negotiate for an average of 5 to 10% bounty from the recovered sum of any white hacked protocol. So the bug hunting here, it says Hack Terminal operates in 2 ways. Number 1 is autonomously. The agent operates as a self-conscious white hat researcher, performing AI-driven scans to find bugs and vulnerabilities. And number 2, collaboratively. Community members, token holders, or white hat partners can interact with Hack via X or Discord to share insights, report possible vulnerabilities, and get 50% share from any possible derived bounty. Holders receive a share of every secured bounty based on how the vulnerability was discovered. And the token here, the Hack token, it says here, total supply of 1 billion tokens, already went over that. 10% of the supply has been secured by the team at launch, so 5% is locked for 6 months, 5% locked for 12 months. Tokens utility, the Hack token is the main utility token for bounty redistribution. Holders receive a share of every secured bounty based on how the vulnerability was discovered. So self-discovered vulnerabilities, 80% goes to Hack holders, 15% to devs, 5% stays with the Hack Terminal. User-assisted discoveries, 50% of the benefits there will go to assisting users, 45% to Hack holders, and 5% to devs. Now, Hack Terminal is trained to negotiate fair bounties, 5 to 10% after securing funds at risk. A creation of a DAO evaluating bounty negotiation in borderline scenarios is currently being discussed, and that is a decentralized autonomous organization for governance, voting on proposals and where the project should go and stuff like that. So check out the Twitter right here at hack_terminal. This is an automated AI agent Twitter. You can see it says automated right there. Has all the links you're going to need right there, especially if you just go right to the docs. And you can find the token on BaseScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and if you're looking to get it, you can find it on Uniswap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.